Jai Hind students. The activity that we are going to do today is introduction of linear equation in one variable using calendar. And you people already know what is linear equation. Okay. So now how we will do this activity using calendar, let's see that. Now here what you have to do is you have to select any 4 dates mentally that form a square. So you can select any of the days. For example, if I take 10, okay, then I'll be taking 11, then 18, then 17. Means in this manner I have to take these 4 dates. Now what I have done is I have highlighted them in order to show that yes, these are the only those 4 dates that are required. Okay. Now when I have taken these 4 dates, so how we will do this? For example, if 10 I have taken as n, if this 10 is representing n, it means that the next number will automatically will become n plus 1, because you get 11 when you add 1 into 10. So if this 10 is taken as n, it means that this 11 will be n plus 1. Now let's see what will be 17. So 17 will be n is 10, so plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means that this will be n plus 7 and this will be n plus 8. So in this, if you take any of the 4 dates in this manner, always you will be getting n as the first one, then n plus 1 as second, n plus 7 as third, and n plus 8 as the fourth one. Now what we will do is, let's add them all. Okay, so when we add them, that is n plus, then n plus 1 plus n plus 7 plus n plus 8, and when we add them all, this is equal to what? This is equal to 10 plus 11 is 21, 21 and 17 is 38, and 38 plus 18 is 56. Now let us arrange them, and let us arrange first. Let us take the variables. So n plus n, how many n are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. n plus n plus n plus n plus, now let's take constants. So 1 plus 7 plus 8, these are the constants, 1, 7 and 8, and this gives you 56. Now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, so it becomes 4n plus 1 plus 7 is 8, 8 plus 8 is 16, equals to 56. So 4n equals to 56 minus 16, and this gives you 40. In this way you can clearly see that n equals to 40 by 4, and when you divide 40 by 4 you get 10. So in this way you can clearly get the first date as 10. Then because see, you can play these type of things with your friends. For example, if you say that I have taken the 4 dates in which one of the dates is say, the sum of the dates is say 20. Now if a child says that the sum of the 4 dates is 20, then what you people can directly do is I have guessed the number in my mind. What you people can directly do is that you can select it in this manner. So what has to be done is that, as it is said that the sum of those four dates is 20, and when you are taking these four dates in this manner, then always you will be getting it as 4n plus 16 every time. See, because this will be n, this will be n plus 1, this will be n plus 7, n plus 8, and I have shown you how this 4n plus 16 will come. So 4n plus 16 equals to 20. It means that 4n equals to 20, and when I transpose the 16 towards RHS, this plus becomes negative sign. So positive 16 becomes negative, and in that manner you get 4n equals to 4. The value of n will be 1, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. It means that I have taken the first date as 1 over there, and then you can easily find out rest of the days. Why? Because the next date will be n plus, because the next date will be n plus 2, so sorry, n plus 1, then it will be 1 plus 1, it means 2. Then the third date will be n plus 7, means 1 plus 7, means the third date will be 8. If you take the last date, which is n plus 8, means 1 plus 8, it means that the last date will be 9. And if we talk in terms of the days that were taken by us, so over there also it can be done directly now. See how? What you have to do is, as I mentioned, that n plus 16 will be equal to, the sum of these four dates were 56. So n equals to 56 minus 16, n equals to, sorry, it will be 4 over here. So 4n equals to 40. So n equals to 40 by 4 means 10. So your first date is 10, because the value of first date is n. So first date will be n. The second date is n plus 1, means 10 plus 1 means 11. The third date is n plus 7, means 10 plus 7, so you get 17. And the last date is n plus 8, means 10 plus 8, and that is equal to 18. So you can see the first date is 10, see it is 10 over here. The second date is 11, so see it is 11. The third date is 17, so it's 17, and the last one is 18, so it's 18. So this activity you people can try at your home, and you can solve puzzle with your friends and family members. Also, the thing that is required in performing this practical is only a calendar, irrespective of any of the month or year. Okay, so in this manner you can easily enjoy your this activity. It will be full of fun and great learning. Thank you so much.